Welcome back to Ruby's English Vocabulary. Ready to expand your word power today? Doctor. Doctor. The doctor is examining the patient in room 3. The doctor is examining the patient in room 3. Nurse. Nurse. The nurse will check your blood pressure. The nurse will check your blood pressure. Surgeon. Surgeon. The surgeon performed a successful heart operation. The surgeon performed a successful heart operation. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. The pharmacist prepared the medication for the patient. The pharmacist prepared the medication for the patient. Dentist. Dentist. I have an appointment with the dentist tomorrow. I have an appointment with the dentist tomorrow. Pediatrician. Pediatrician. The pediatrician specializes in treating children. The pediatrician specializes in treating children. Radiologist. Radiologist. The radiologist analyzed the X-ray results. The radiologist analyzed the X-ray results. Cardiologist. Cardiologist. The cardiologist is monitoring the patient's heart health. The cardiologist is monitoring the patient's heart health. Anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologist. The anesthesiologist ensured the patient was asleep during surgery. The anesthesiologist ensured the patient was asleep during surgery. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. The psychiatrist is helping the patient manage anxiety. The psychiatrist is helping the patient manage anxiety. Pathologist. Pathologist. The pathologist examined the tissue samples for cancer. The pathologist examined the tissue samples for cancer. Medical assistant. Medical assistant. The medical assistant helped prepare the patient's chart. The medical assistant helped prepare the patient's chart. Paramedic. Paramedic. The paramedic responded quickly to the emergency call. The paramedic responded quickly to the emergency call. Occupational therapist. Occupational therapist. The occupational therapist helps patients recover daily skills. The occupational therapist helps patients recover daily skills. Physical therapist. Physical therapist. The physical therapist guided me through recovery exercises. The physical therapist guided me through recovery exercises. Dietitian. Dietitian. The dietitian created a healthy meal plan for the patient. The dietitian created a healthy meal plan for the patient. Respiratory therapist. Respiratory therapist. The respiratory therapist assisted with the patient's breathing treatment. The respiratory therapist assisted with the patient's breathing treatment. Lab technician. Lab technician. The lab technician analyzed the blood samples. The lab technician analyzed the blood samples. Emergency physician. Emergency physician. The emergency physician treated several critical cases. The emergency physician treated several critical cases. Surgeon's assistant. Surgeon's assistant. The surgeon's assistant helped prepare the operating room. The surgeon's assistant helped prepare the operating room. Volunteer. Volunteer. A volunteer helped the visitor find the patient's room. A volunteer helped the visitor find the patient's room. Social worker. Social worker. The social worker provided resources for the patient's family. The social worker provided resources for the patient's family. Counselor. Counselor. The counselor spoke with the patient about coping strategies. The counselor spoke with the patient about coping strategies.
Thank you for learning with Ruby's English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with new videos and keep learning every day.